All right, here's a quick walkthrough on how to set up the online ordering for the Clover POS system. Basically, first you want to go to clover.com, log into your dashboard with your email and password. Um, Once you're in here, you should be taken to the home screen. First thing we want to double check is one that we're on the correct software plan. There's currently only one software plan that'll let you do the online ordering. So to get to that, we go to settings, just hit view all settings, and then we'll click service plan here under billing and statements. So mine only has one option. Yours might have a few, but you want to make sure you're going to be on the restaurant growth plan. This will give you the option for online ordering and connecting to third-party delivery apps. Now, once we selected that plan, we made sure that the plan is highlighted green. All we have to do from here is go over to business operations on that same page. We're looking at view all settings, and we'll go to online ordering. Now, mine's already set up, but yours will probably have a, let's get started button, and it'll walk you through it. It's going to be very intuitive. But here is the partners page where if you want to connect in with like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, you can do that. I recommend clicking the get started here and doing this instead of going to Grubhub or the third party app first. But basically over here, we'll have your settings page for your online ordering website. So here we see at the top, we have our Clover online ordering. This is going to be our own in-house ordering web page we can use. Right now it's click to accept orders. To hit manage, it'll open up a screen here. You can do a few things. So for example, you have your URL link. So you can put this on your Facebook page, um, wherever you want to put it to hyperlink it so people can go on there to order online. You also have a QR code as well. So if the QR code, you can put that on the window of the business, wherever you want to. Again, it could be a photo on your Facebook page. Send people the direct link to order online. I'm going to click on this real quick just to show you what the online ordering can look like. It's giving me an error code saying, hey, the store isn't currently open, but you can still schedule an order. But this is basically how it would be laid out. You can customize your categories here. So we got like a chicken, burgers, drinks, all that. Um, and with all the modifiers that you can set up in the back end. All right. Apologies about that. But basically, take it through the process. They'll create the order, have the food in the basket here. Let me just add it real quick. And then they can click on this to continue to check out. Straightforward process. Put the phone number in, put the card, pay for the food. They'll be given an ETA of when they should come pick it up, and then they'll be good to go. Now, coming back to the dashboard here, though, this is where it can make changes that we might want to. So, for example, we can adjust the food preparation time. This is just how long a customer is going to need to wait from placing the order to picking it up. Um, Schedule orders. Some places don't do this. This is only if you want to. Uh, and then you can also set your business hours as well, all through here. Now, by default, it's just going to take in your menu. Um, so your menu should already be transferred over of what you could buy in person um, to be added, into the online ordering. Only thing that you might need to do on your end is upload those pictures. You don't have to upload photos of your food, but it does really help it. So to upload photos, it's pretty simple. You're just going to go to your items list, click on whatever you want to do. So for example, we have a barbecue burger. We'll just scroll down um, and then click on this to upload the file of the picture for the burger there. So it's a straightforward process, and then we can click on this to make it show online, and we'll save it. But it's really, really simple on how to do that. Other option we have too is our menu. So Mine has too many items. Let me switch to another account here real quick just to show you what the menu will look like. So you could set up different menus within your system. Let me go to the menus here. So here's just a standard menu, and you can select the channel that it's active on. So this was just active on the Clover online ordering. So now this menu is just basically replicating what the in-person menu is. You could also make another online menu and make one specific for like DoorDash, Uber Eats, all that stuff. Um, Again, that's something that you would cross that bridge when you get there. But that's just the other option you have when it comes to online ordering. But really, main thing you just want to do is, add in your items, um, add in the pictures to the items, click, make them accessible to be at online, and you should be good to go. So that recaps it. Again, to cover everything again, we just have you want to one, make sure you're on the correct software plan. After you do that, you're going to go to that online ordering button by clicking the view all settings here, walk through the steps of setting up your online ordering website. And then once that's completed, all we have to do from here is go to your items, add in the pictures, and make sure that they're toggled to be showing online.